friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jessica Morba for those of you that are new around here, and today I am getting ready to travel to Barcelona. I'm actually heading out tonight and it is about 10:30 in the morning. So by the time you see this, I will already be in Barcelona. And if you want to catch up with the real-time tidbits, definitely check out my Instagram stories. But for now, I am going to walk you through the process, essentially the beauty process of how I get ready for a trip. Normally, I won't blow out my hair before a trip, but for this specific trip, I am going to style my hair semi-straight with like voluminous curls for the first leg of the trip, and then for the second leg of the trip, I will have the fro, so it'll make a comeback. But I want to walk you through that entire process, so let's go. At the salon, I get a wash, roller set, and a blowout. And we usually start with a wash, and this part feels so good. Then I get a roller set, or as we say in Spanish, rolos. And this is done all throughout my head. I have been getting this done for quite some time, meaning that I usually get a roller set almost every time I go to the hair salon. Then I sit under the hair dryer for about 1 hour just so my hair can dry. Sometimes I'll end up working while I'm sitting here. Then the rollers are taken out and my stylist gives me a voluminous blowout. And she is amazing. I love getting this done by her. By the way, they do use a heat protectant spray at the hair salon, and this is the one that I recently used. This process, all in all, takes about, I want to say 2 hours, 3 hours max. Just finished doing my hair. Got my pin curls, but I'm going to take them out at home.
So I'll come next week.
But for now, I'm just gonna put on this headscarf because it is it's raining a lot outside, and I had to turn on the AC inside of my home because there was a little bit of humidity in here, and I don't want my hair to get frizzy, so I'm gonna put this on. This is what the headscarf looks like once it's on. And I will likely do this either at the airport or before I try to get some sleep on the flight, because we will be on a red eye, and so I'll definitely share a separate tutorial in case you just want to see how I care for my hair in flight. But now it's time for me to pack my makeup. I have a couple of mascaras, some blushes, some bronzer. I have tons of lipsticks because I'm a big lipstick girl. And what else? I have more lipstick here, and I'm just glad I was able to fit in everything into this cute makeup bag. We made it to the airport with all these luggages, and we are off. 4 check-in luggages and 2 carry-ons. And we're off. This is the outfit. The outfit overnight and hair up.
So I am the cameraman behind the scenes, literally behind the camera. And we are presently going to Barcelona, Spain.
We made it on the flight, and usually I don't wear the headscarf until I'm seated, pretty much in the position that I am now, but because it's raining in New York City, I decided to come as is. So that's it for my packing, or not really packing, more of a like beauty prep video. So I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to tune in for the next YouTube video. I'm super excited so you can see what's going on in Barcelona. Bye.